Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2010 Nissan Rogue. We are doing a radiator today. A real simple one for this one. I'll show you what and why we're replacing this one. See all this nasty, crusty stuff here around the edge. What happens is this plastic decides to deteriorate, and the seal that goes around it will either crack or start leaking or bust altogether. But this is also a known problem with plastic radiator pieces and stuff like that. They break on the inside and cause a leak here, down at the bottom. Any place that the plastic and metal meet has an opportunity of leaking. It gets hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, and it just weakens up over time. But this one's real simple. Take the upper radiator hose off, take the lower radiator hose off, take the fan out. Fan's only in there with 2 screws. The bottom half right here just sits in little indentations on the bottom of the radiator. And then disconnect your 2 fan connectors, move your harness up out of the way, take the fan out, take the radiator out. Easy pie. These have these little clips for the mounting brackets and stuff like that to hold it in. Little tab here, gonna move that to one side, move that to the other side, pry this way, and it comes right off. And going back on, same way, just like that. Clip, clip. Burp the coolant out when you're done. I have a little funnel system that will sit up top here, and it will just be burping it out while I'm cleaning all my tools and everything up. But this is a really easy job. Now, fun part is going to be that clamp down there. The clamp is inverted facing down. I have a tool like yay, where I'm able to go to the bottom half, clamp it from the bottom, and reach up as far as I want, and it will just snake it around up here and then rotate it and use another clamp or a pair of pliers to get it back on. So the pliers and stuff are not a problem taking those type of clamps off. It's going back on that you need to have good pair of pliers or special tools like these that have a larger range of motion that can open and close. Because if this thing does not go in all of the way, you will not be able to squeeze it tight enough in order to be able to go over the radiator hose areas. So that's what those little special tools are designed to do, is to get in those kind of areas. You got one like this, one like this, and they also don't fall off because they'll clamp onto the certain sections and stuff, and you can take it and wiggle it, and makes your job just so much more easier. But I'm gonna put the fan in, put the coolant in, and then let it burp out the air bubbles. So this is literally a 15-minute job for me. Might take an average person 30 minutes or so without the tools to help out, but yeah, this is a 15-minute easy job. But any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.